I thought while I'm walking past, you might as well see some of our creatures. This bunch of guys. Not sure how clearly you can see them. So they're just a month or so old, and sorry to disappoint those of you out there who think they're cute and they're fluffy. It is in fact a box of fluffy ducks, but soon it's going to be a box of very frozen duck meat. Another couple of months. I'll probably get cold before we go away at Easter. I'm going to let out the chooks. You get a bit of a shufty at the chooks. Come on out. Come on. There you go, that's Bandit. Him and his girlfriends. All 13 of them. Right, now to get the ranger in gear. I guess I have to go down and get the key to it, because like a sensible person, the key is not anywhere. So here's some more of the family. These guys. Just a little bit crazy. You see that one just there at the front? She's called Breakage. She was born that way, but she seems to be doing okay. She drinks, she eats, she's fine, but it's just a malformation in the shell. No trouble at all drinking. Thought maybe a wander through here. You see I've done a lot more clearing since the last photo. This is really all about the clearing the land. So through here, through here is where the shed will be, and around in here, once this is all cleared, this is where the house will be. So all of these trees, they've got to come out. They've been cut to length. Now it's just a case of hauling them out. I've already taken some out, pulled some out yesterday, using the tractor sparingly, but got to go put some more hydraulic fluid in that from the brake. There's a pile over there ready to be processed. What I'm going to do now, of course, is check the fluid levels. The fluid level for the hydraulics is here, and I'll just try that off. We'll check the level. And as you may or may not be able to see there is absolutely no fluid in there. So time to do something about that. And I believe the do something about that thing is in here, but I want to make sure that I've got enough. I'm going to try to figure this out. I'm not right-handed. Well, I am right-handed, but I can't do it right-handed. So, time, I think, to see if my magic tool will do the job. Really happy this this tractor comes with a toolbox. I can genuinely take stuff with me. This is going to work. I reckon I'll put you here for the moment. Bear with me. See if I can get this. So that's not going to work. I don't think that's going to work either. Let's see how this goes. Just a second. Let's check it. Rest of that in there. So that seems to have worked. Just run it for a bit. And of course that doesn't work because there's no the ram on this side is still missing. I've just got it looping back so that it doesn't pump oil everywhere. I guess that's that. I think yeah, it's a bit of work to do. I could do some more.